Print on demand is dead. It's over. Finito. If you believe still in those 10 myths that I'm about to destroy for you. Because there are thousands of people still making millions, literally, with print on demand. And there are so many case studies out there, and people still ignore the steps those people followed, doing exactly the opposite and complaining that print on demand doesn't work, it's over. I promise, it's not. So in this video, I will break very popular myths that lead people to failure and make others millionaires. Based on my experience, my research, the mistakes from people I've worked with, my own mistakes, because I want to see you win. Print on demand is still one of the best ways, even for beginners, to start a side hustle online with zero investment. So I would love to see you win. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So myth number one, print on demand, it's saturated. One of the most favorite excuses that I hear people saying, and that applies to everything. Even when I started digital marketing 10 years ago, people were saying, where are you going exactly? Digital marketing agencies are everywhere. Guess what is everywhere? Low effort, poor creativity, and little to no consistency. So people start something. They might watch a video about print on demand, right? One of my previous ones. You can see them right here. Try for a weekend and then say, guess what? Didn't work for me. Uploading a random logo or a random design, creating a couple of products, and posting them on Facebook where you have 20 followers won't make any difference. And as you see in the diagram, the saturated zone is full of generic texts, AI-generated clip art, copy-pasted quotes, zodiac and astrology prints, low-effort holiday gifts, and the more you go towards the open opportunity, micro niches, community-driven brands, meaningful storytelling, being intentional about a specific niche, the more chances you have to win. And that's exactly where millionaires from print on demand are coming from. So yes, many people are doing that, very few are doing that in the right way. Myth number two, you need an audience. Well, it helps. But most people I know that made millions with print on demand didn't have any following. They had a plan, they used existing platforms with millions of visitors like Etsy and TikTok Shop or Amazon and eBay, where Printify gives you all the tools to integrate your designs and sell directly to these marketplaces. But also, social media right now is mostly interest media, which means you have an amazing opportunity to have amazing organic reach from your first videos, your first posts. Social media are not favoring people with big following anymore, like me. They're following people that target interesting topics for specific niches. So it's all about interest. If you have interesting videos, guess what? You might have millions of views from your first videos. So no more excuses. I need money to start print on demand. No, my friend, you don't. Contrary to most people's expectations, print on demand and specifically Printify gives you the opportunity to start with $0. Literally. You design, you focus on marketing and creativity, the customer orders, and Printify creates the product, which you don't have to stock yourself, send it to them, and manages also returns. So you don't have to do the non-sexy part of e-commerce. So you don't buy inventory, the internet becomes a huge warehouse for you, where you can try again and again with different products without having to stock them. This is amazing. Print on demand is just t-shirts, hoodies, and cups. Maybe in 2018. Today, and especially with Printify that I'm using the most, you have over 1,300 different products to choose from. So an entire e-commerce variety for any taste, any desire, any needs. You have home products, women products, car accessories, billboards, so many different choices depending on the brand you want to build or the need you want to fulfill, even a line of supplements to create your own athletic product line. So no, you don't have to create t-shirts, you don't have to create cups, the options are endless. I need to be a designer or I need to hire a designer to create my amazing designs so I can have a chance to have people buying from me. Well, great designs matter, obviously. So if you have the opportunity to be one or to hire one, that's a plus. But I know so many people, including me, that created beautiful, eye-catching, and super trending designs using AI. Ideogram, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, you name it. You have so many options out there, even free, where you can either replicate things that work for others by just uploading the design and recreating that in a non-copyrighted way, or create things from zero, right? let your creativity go wild, target a specific audience, obviously, and you can create original things from zero without being a designer or hiring one. So AI, if used correctly, can be an amazing free ally for you who is just starting now. Because I want you to eliminate every single barrier to start. Margins are too small. Yes, print on demand is amazing, but I don't get any money left for me. Well, that's again a myth. Because if you see right here, the average default margin that you see on every single product that you're trying to customize on Printify is pretty much 40%, based on the average recommended price in the marketplace. You can navigate through that, so you can either go lower if you want to be more competitive in specific niches, or even go above that and have 60-70% profit margin if you're able to sell a product for a premium. And in many categories, in many different instances, and you can have a research on Etsy for that, you can have very expensive products because you have created something very unique as a design, as a concept, as a brand. That price is not the number one criteria, right? People want to be part of that and they don't care about paying the premium. So it's all about the concept, it's all about the marketing and not about the price. You need to create hundreds of designs until you succeed. Well, no, you don't. You just need one viral or very successful design that can make all the difference. Yes, you have the option to create hundreds or thousands of different designs because it's unlimited. You can use Printify to create whatever you want, to experiment with different concepts, replicate things that worked, implement the crazy idea that you had in the weekend, and all that for free. You don't have a limitation. But in order to market things properly, successfully, you need to have something that really makes the difference, right? So yes, experiment at the beginning. Create whatever your mind tells you, right? And after a while, like with everything, you're gonna start understanding what people want, what specific niches want, what you need to eliminate, where you need to focus, what kind of products people prefer. So feel free to experiment. It's free, right? You don't have a limitation. Go, create products, share them with your friends, get feedback, make them better, create something, and based on that, get inspired for something new. That's how it works. That's how people find winning designs, not by launching thousands of them. So stay like a kid, curious without creativity limitations. One of my favorite ones, the market is so competitive, my God. How can I win? First of all, let me tell you something. One of the biggest mistakes that I've done in my entrepreneurial career is entering markets with low competition. You know what this means? Very low demand as well. So high competition means that demand exists. People want to buy. There's proof of concept. You don't have to create the market. And there are billions out there where you can get a small percentage. So the problem here is not high competition, is not the big demand, is that people try to sell generic, saturated stuff again and again. The same concepts that used to work 5-10 years ago, or they're entering a market with very low differentiation, right? As we have said before in so many different videos that we have presented, concepts, twists, ideas, combinations of things. It's all about creativity, it's all about concepts, it's all about being intentional. What you create, why you launch it for, and who you're addressing. It's all about creating emotions and a deep meaning behind the design. Not just creating something that looks good, right? You might get a random sale from now and then, but it's all about this deep connection with the consumer for things that really matter for them, right? This is a Metallica t-shirt, right? It means something. It's not about the logo, it's not about the design, but it's not something great. It's all about a specific moment when Metallica go on stage, right? This little spotlight, and gives you back the feeling of the first concert that you joined, right? And you have the feeling by wearing that. That's exactly the feeling you need to create for every single design. Make it mean something to the people you want to address. Let's break another myth. Shipping times are taking forever. Well, that used to be the case years ago. Right now, print on demand, and specifically Printify, gives you the opportunity to source suppliers depending on where exactly you want to sell, right? So you can source from US, from Europe, from UK, and eliminate the big lead times before somebody gets the product in their hands, right? So choose wisely your products based on the location you want to send your products to. And if you have a global line, make sure to create a lineup that can really cover everybody effectively. And last but not least, one of the greatest myths. Print on demand is passive. I'm sorry, but it's not. It can be automated. It can be low maintenance comparing to other side hustles like e-commerce or having an agency or having an online store or whatever. But still, you need to keep pushing, to keep testing stuff, to market things to bigger audiences, to create new campaigns, to recreate things that work for you, to eliminate things that didn't work for you. So no, it's not passive, but it's one of the easiest digital businesses to start, especially if you don't have the money, the experience, and the audience to create something faster and at scale. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, show some love, like the video, share with somebody who wants to see it. And remember, the opportunity is not gone. Lazy strategies and low effort are definitely gone. I would love to see you win. Let me know in the comments. What are you struggling with? If you have launched a print-on-demand store before, and until next time, simply hustle.